In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problems. So let's get started. Click on the start button and you have to click on the settings icon to open the settings window, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and click on settings. Now here we have to simply click on privacy and security. Then you will find Windows permissions. What we need to do is we need to disable all these Windows permissions. So click on the general. If these buttons right here are switched on, then you have to switch off all of these buttons. Go back to privacy and security. For speech, just simply turn off online speech recognition. Inking and typing personalization, switch that off. For search permissions, you have Microsoft account, work or school account, history, and search highlights. Just simply switch the buttons off. And here under app permissions, if you're not going to use your location, just simply switch the button off. If you are not going to use your camera, microphone, notification, switch that off. And then contacts, switch that off. You'll find calendar, phone calls, switch that off. You'll find call history, email, task. You can switch that off. Messaging. So everything right here under app permissions, if we're not going to use any of these app permissions, just simply switch the button off. Now once done, we have to close this. And then make a right click at the start button, open settings again. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps. And here you'll find start app or start app apps, apps that start automatically when you sign in. Click on that. So here you'll find all the startup programs enabled on your Windows. So what you can do is you need to disable all the unnecessary startup programs, like if you have Microsoft OneDrive, Discord, Xbox. So if the button is switched on, just simply switch that off, but do not disable the Windows security notification icon, which is very important. And then after you have disabled all the unnecessary startup apps, close this and then go ahead in the Windows search bar. Now here you need to type sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl control panel item. Click on that. Here in the System Properties window, click on the Advanced tab. Here you'll find Performance. Click on Settings. Now here you'll find the option Adjust for best performance. You can click on apply and click on OK, but you can also enable some options right here, like show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Apply and then OK, and then click on OK. And finally, we need to make a restart. So make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.